Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English Spark, where mastering English is both simple and enjoyable. I'm your host, Emily.
And I'm Ethan. It's absolutely fantastic to be here with you again today, Emily. I've got my favorite travel mug, and I am completely ready to go.
Always with your herbal tea, I see. But I have my large coffee today, and I'm feeling really optimistic about our topic.
Why the big smile, Emily?
Because we're diving into a very lively and popular location today, a place that's enormous indoors and full of different businesses.
A lively indoor place?
Could it be?
A shopping center?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Today's adventure is all about the shopping center.
Yeah. That is a brilliant choice for a lesson.
Yeah.
It's such a great place to visit on the weekend, especially when the weather isn't good.
Yes.
I really enjoy spending time there. Me too.
It's also an incredible resource for learning a ton of useful everyday English vocabulary.
Yeah.
We'll cover words for everything from clothing to food.
I am fully prepared to expand my vocabulary. Let's get started.
Wait a moment, Ethan. Before we start our English exploration, we have a quick request for everyone listening.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. A big welcome to all of you joining us. We truly appreciate you being here.
Sir. Please, if you're enjoying our podcast, and take a moment to hit the like button.
Yeah.
Give us that big thumbs up.
Right.
Yep.
And don't forget to subscribe to the English Spark channel so you won't miss any of our new episodes.
And please share this episode with any friends who are also on their English learning journey. A quick chat can make a big difference.
Oh, thank you all so much for your support. Okay, Emily, the shopping center, it's a very large structure, right?
It is. And what's the main feature inside the shopping center?
Businesses, many different businesses.
Yeah,
Right.
that's right. We can call them shops or stores. Both words are commonly used in English.
Got it. Shops and stores.
Yeah.
I like that versatility. Now, what kind of specific stores do we find there?
My personal favorite, the place where I find energy and sometimes comfort.
I know. You're talking about the food. But where exactly do you sit to eat it?
The eating area is a spacious spot with lots of seating
Yeah.
and several smaller quick service restaurants.
That's the place. We call that the food hall,
Yes.
or more commonly, the food court.
The food court. Perfect. I love the variety there.
Yeah.
What are your go-to meals at the food court?
There are so many options. You can always find a nice slice of pizza.
Classic choice. I love pizza.
I know you do. Or you can grab a burger or maybe some Asian cuisine like noodles
Yeah.
or stir fry.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So much food, so many flavors. The food court is definitely a prime location to refuel.
Okay, so we have the food. What other major category of shopping is available?
We need to cover the essentials apparel.
Ah, yes, the apparel shops. So many businesses selling clothing.
Yep.
You can update your wardrobe with new shirts, trousers, and skirts.
And we can't forget about footwear.
Of course not. We need a dedicated footwear store.
And for me, a must visit is the Book Nook, where I can browse for hours.
Yes, the Book Nook is wonderful. It's always so tranquil and peaceful.
I agree. So we have clothing, shoes, books, and food. What about entertainment?
Sometimes you find a movie complex.
A movie complex. We can also refer to it as a cinema, right?
Exactly. Movie complex or cinema, a great place to unwind and catch a new film.
Wow.
A shopping center truly is a mini community. It has everything you need.
I agree. Now let's begin our simulated shopping trip in English.
Brilliant. Let's head straight to an apparel shop.
Perfect. We enter the clothing store. What's the first thing you notice?
I see different sections, garments for gentlemen and garments for ladies.
And clothing for kids, too.
Oh, wait,
we
yeah.
see collared shirts.
Collared shirts, yes.
Casual tops are so comfortable. I wear them all the time.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
What about leg wear?
We see trousers.
And the tough blue trousers are often called denim.
Yeah, I enjoy wearing denim. Denim is
Yes.
always popular.
And we also see dresses.
Like the lovely green dress I purchased for my friend's celebration.
Shopping center is really practical.
It is.
And we also find jackets for when the weather is cool.
Yes,
Yeah.
a warm outer layer. And of course, what covers our feet?
But wait, we're in an apparel shop.
Yeah.
Like Jared had to propose a losrol.
True. Sometimes an apparel shop sells shoes as well.
Yeah. Okay, but there is always a huge footwear store too, right?
Let's make a quick stop at the footwear store.
All right, we've arrived.
Ethan.
Look at the immense variety
Wow.
of shoes. Incredible.
Black shoe, white shoes, tan shoes, and bright colors too.
Yes, and sports shoes.
Sports shoes? What are those?
Sports shoes are athletic footwear, lightweight shoes designed for exercise like running or long walks.
I see athletic shoes. They're ideal for all the walking we do at the center.
We've certainly covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back in the shop and I've spotted a gorgeous crimson top.
Crimson is a fantastic, bold color.
I really like it, but I need to check the sizing.
Yes. The size, is it a large fit or a small fit?
Exactly. We use simple labels. We have small, which is just the letter S,
And we have medium, the letter M.
and large, represented by L.
Small, medium, large.
S.
SML. What's your typical size, Emily?
I usually wear a medium.
I'm a medium as well.
We are perfectly sized companions.
We are?
Right. But I can't know for sure if it's right. What's my next step?
You should put it on.
Precisely. I can try it on.
Try it on. That's a really great practical phrase.
Yes. Try on the top. Where do I do this?
In a small private cubicle.
Yes.
Right.
That space is called the fitting room.
Great word, Emily.
The fitting room.
Or sometimes people call it a change room. Fitting room or change room.
Okay. So I take my crimson top and go to the fitting room. On the
You
cam-
try it on. You look in the reflecting glass.
the mirror. I check it out. I'm stressed.
Yes.
It looks great. I absolutely adore it.
Wonderful. So you've decided to purchase it.
Yes. I want to buy this crimson top.
Yes.
What do I do now?
You take your item and walk to the front counter of the shop.
Right. And I usually have to wait my turn in a queue.
Yes. A line of customers.
Right.
Then you speak to the individual at the checkout desk.
The checkout desk is where the cashier is the person who accepts the money. Yeah.
Exactly. You hand your top
Yeah.
to the cashier.
And the cashier says, bleep, that will be $30.
$30. The price is how much it costs. How will you settle the bill? You could pay with physical currency.
Physical currency, that means paper notes and metal coins.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or the other common option is to pay with a plastic square,
A credit card.
a credit card or a debit card.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So I hand the cashier my card. Here you go.
The cashier smiles and says, "Thank you very much."
The cashier then places my new crimson top into a carry-all.
A shopping bag.
Yeah. And wow, bro.
Yes.
And the cashier gives me a small sheet of paper with the details of my purchase.
That piece of paper is the proof of purchase.
Yes.
The-
The receipt. You are very knowledgeable, Ethan. Thank you.
The receipt is what we call it.
For Braldu. The receipt is what we call it. Yeah.
The receipt is essential.
Yeah.
Why is it so necessary?
Well, imagine I return home and I try on the crimson top once more and oh no, it's slightly too small.
Or maybe there's a small manufacturing defect in the
Right.
fabric.
What's my solution?
You can take the top and the receipt back to the shop.
I can send back the top.
Yay! You can return it. The receipt is your evidence.
Yes. Always keep that receipt. And you're
Whew, shopping can be quite tiring.
it really is. And all this talk of food and shopping has made me hungry now. Me too.
Let's head straight back to the food court.
So
Okay, we've arrived at the food court. Wow, so many people.
And so many different tables and chairs.
Yeah.
I know. What are you planning to eat, Ethan?
After much deliberation, I think I'll go for a slice of pizza.
Yes. Let's get pizza.
We walk up to the pizza counter.
Okay. We check the list of items.
The menu, the list of all the available food.
I see plain pizza,
Naturally.
naturally, and meat topping pizza.
I prefer the meat topping one.
The counter attendant says, "Hello, how may I assist you?"
Okay, that is a very courteous question. How may I assist you?
I would like one portion of plain pizza, please.
I would like one portion of meat topping pizza, please.
And we need something to drink.
Oh, yes, a beverage and 2 bottles of filtered water, please.
Perfect. We are exceptionally polite.
We pay the cashier, we get our pizza and water.
This pizza is
Excellent.
yes. Our English learning pizza is very satisfying.
It truly is. But
Okay, we've finished our food. That was great. What should we do now?
We could go to the book nook.
Ooh, I enjoy the book nook. It's so calm.
Yes, we can browse some titles. Maybe find some books written in English.
Yes, that's great practice.
Or we could catch a film, go to the cinema. We go to the cinema and purchase our entry slips.
Yes, we buy tickets for a movie.
Yes. Perhaps a comedy.
Perhaps a comedy, a humorous film.
But Emily, I'm wandering around the shopping center going from store to store.
Yes.
And now I am disoriented.
Yes.
I need to find the washroom.
The washroom or restroom. Yes.
Where is the washroom? I have no idea.
What's the best approach?
I need to find a person to ask.
Yes, you find a person, maybe an employee of the center, and
I have to be very respectful when I speak to them.
you do.
So I say, pardon me. Whoa.
A perfect beginning. Pardon me.
Pardon me. Where is the washroom?
That is the perfect essential question. Where is?
I can apply that to find anything.
Yeah, you absolutely can.
Pardon me, where is the food court?
Perfect. Perfect.
Pardon me, where is the footwear store?
Excellent.
Pardon me, where is the cinema?
Yes. Where is an incredibly helpful construction.
And the person is friendly. They say, oh, the washroom is continue straight and then turn right.
That, yes, they give you clear directions. That is wonderful.
Yeah.
So I am no longer disoriented.
No, you are located.
Jerry?
Yali's best floor out Auglet.
Wow.
Emily, the shopping center is an excellent environment to practice real-world English.
It truly is. You can read all the signs: apparel, food court, emergency exit.
You can listen to the conversations of people nearby.
And you can speak.
And sätta lik to have, speak to the cashier,
Yes.
ask for assistance,
Yes.
and place your order for food.
Yes. One plain pizza, please.
Yes. It's genuine, real-life English practice.
Wow, Ethan, look at the time. Oh my goodness.
Time truly moves quickly
Yes.
when we are discussing a fun topic like the shopping center.
It really does.
I had a blast today, Emily.
Girl crush, but I feel the coiffery. I feel like I just had a real shopping spree.
Me too.
My feet are definitely a little tired.
Too. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode for today.
Thank you to everyone for tuning in and listening to our
Yes.
chat.
Thank you so much. We genuinely hope you acquired some new English words today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to the English Spark channel.
And please click the like button if you enjoyed our conversation today.
Yes.
And share this episode with your friends who are also learning English.
We also have a question for you, our listeners.
Ooh, yeah. In the pasture, in the comments area below, please share with us.
Yes. What is your absolute favorite store inside a shopping center?
Great question. Or what's your preferred meal at the food court?
We do.
Reading your comments is the highlight of our week.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Fantastic. Well, I'll see you next time, Ethan.
Goodbye, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.